In the world of data science, we often deal with datasets containing a large number of features or variables. This high dimensionality can pose significant challenges. Imagine trying to visualize data points scattered across hundreds or even thousands of dimensions. It quickly becomes impossible. This is where dimensionality reduction techniques come into play. Dimensionality reduction aims to simplify complex datasets by reducing the number of features while preserving as much relevant information as possible. This simplification offers several benefits, including faster computation, reduced storage requirements, and improved model performance. High-dimensional data can be difficult to visualize and analyze. It can also lead to computational challenges, especially for machine learning algorithms. Dimensionality reduction helps us overcome these obstacles by transforming the data into a lower dimensional space, making it easier to work with. Think of it like this. You have a complex map with too many details. Dimensionality reduction helps you create a simplified version that highlights the most important landmarks, making it easier to navigate. Principal component analysis, or PCA, is one of the most widely used dimensionality reduction techniques. It's a powerful tool that identifies patterns in data by finding the directions of greatest variance. These directions, represented by principal components, capture the most important information in the data. Imagine a dataset plotted on a two-dimensional plane. PCA finds the line that best fits the data, capturing the direction of maximum variance. This line becomes the first principal component. The second principal component is orthogonal to the first, capturing the remaining variance. PCA essentially rotates the coordinate system of the data, aligning the axes with the directions of greatest variance. This transformation allows us to reduce the number of dimensions while retaining as much information as possible. The beauty of PCA is its ability to identify and extract the most significant features from complex datasets. It's like finding the hidden structure in a vast sea of data points. Let's break down how PCA works, step by step. First, we standardize the data. The first step is to standardize the data, ensuring that all features have zero mean and unit variance. This step is crucial because PCA is sensitive to the scales of the features. Next, we calculate the covariance matrix of the standardized data. The covariance matrix provides insights into the relationships between different features. Then we compute the eigenvectors and eigenvalues of the covariance matrix. Eigenvectors represent the directions of maximum variance, while eigenvalues indicate the magnitude of variance along those directions. After that, we create a scree plot. A scree plot helps us visualize the explained variance by each principal component. It plots the eigenvalues in descending order, allowing us to choose the top principal components that capture the most variance. Finally, we project the original data onto the lower dimensional subspace defined by the selected principal components. This transformation results in a new dataset with fewer dimensions. By following these steps, we can effectively reduce the dimensionality of our data while preserving the most important information. PCA offers several advantages that make it a popular choice for dimensionality reduction. First, simpler models. By reducing the number of features, PCA simplifies machine learning models, making them easier to train and interpret. Second, faster computation. Lower dimensional data requires less computational power, leading to faster training and prediction times. Third, prevention of overfitting. PCA can help prevent overfitting, a phenomenon where a model performs well on the training data but poorly on unseen data. By reducing noise and redundancy, PCA improves model generalization. Lastly, data visualization. PCA allows us to visualize high-dimensional data in lower dimensions, making it easier to identify patterns and relationships. These benefits make PCA a valuable tool in various domains, including image processing, genomics, and finance. Section 5: Real-world applications from images to genes. PCA finds applications in a wide range of fields. First, in image processing, PCA is used for image compression, facial recognition, and object detection. By reducing the number of dimensions in image data, PCA makes it easier to store, transmit, and analyze images. Second, in genomics, PCA helps analyze gene expression data, identify patterns in DNA sequences, and classify different types of cancer. Third, in finance, financial analysts use PCA for risk management, portfolio optimization, and fraud detection. PCA helps identify hidden patterns and correlations in financial data. These are just a few examples of how PCA is used to solve real-world problems. Section 6. PCAs Limitations, when and why it might not be the best fit. While PCA is a powerful technique, it's essential to be aware of its limitations. First, PCA assumes a linear relationship between features, which may not always hold true in real-world datasets. Second, PCA can be sensitive to outliers, which can significantly influence the principal components. And third, while PCA can effectively reduce dimensions, it can be challenging to interpret the meaning of the resulting principal components. So, it's crucial to consider these limitations when deciding whether PCA is the appropriate technique for a particular problem. Section 7. Putting PCA into practice, a Python example with scikit-learn. Implementing PCA in Python is straightforward using the scikit-learn library. Here's a quick example. Python from sklearn.datasets import load_iris from sklearn.decomposition import PCA. This code snippet demonstrates how to apply PCA to the iris dataset, reducing the number of dimensions from 4 to 2. Section 8. Choosing the right number of dimensions. One crucial aspect of using PCA is choosing the right number of principal components. This decision involves finding a balance between dimensionality reduction and information loss. The scree plot provides valuable insights into the explained variance by each principal component. By examining the plot, we can identify the elbow point, where the explained variance starts to level off. This point often indicates a suitable number of principal components to retain. Another approach is to choose the number of components that explain a desired percentage of the total variance, say 95%. The choice ultimately depends on the specific application and the trade-off between dimensionality reduction and information preservation. Section 9. Conclusion. PCA, a cornerstone of data science. Principal component analysis is a fundamental technique in data science, offering a powerful way to simplify complex datasets while preserving essential information. It finds applications in diverse fields, from image processing to genomics, helping us extract meaningful insights from data. By understanding the principles behind PCA, its advantages, limitations, and practical implementation, data scientists can leverage this versatile tool to tackle a wide range of data analysis challenges. PCA remains a cornerstone of data science, enabling us to navigate the complexities of high-dimensional data and unlock valuable knowledge.